Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be sharing with you how to make delicious beans and plantain porridge. If you are new to my channel, grab your chair, sit back and enjoy every bit of what I've got to share with you. So now I have my beans. I carefully selected to get rid of the sands and dirt and like boiled for 30 to 45 minutes, sorry, and I get rid of the first water, and now it's back to the pot to continue cooking. I just added our plantain and a little more water. I didn't add excess water because our beans is 85% cooked, so it wouldn't be nice to add excess water because that would take time for the beans to absorb. So while that is cooking, I'll use my frying pan to heat up some red oil and some sliced onion. I'm going to be frying the onion until it becomes translucent. This will help oil to absorb some of the fragrance and taste from the onion. And then after that is thoroughly fried, I'll be adding my sliced tomatoes. If you haven't cooked your beans like this before, try this method. Honestly, there is no particular way of cooking. Trust me, there is no single way of cooking. It's just learning, and learning is a continuous process, right? So now our tomato and onion are well fried. I'll be adding my mixed herbs, some bouillon, some curry powder, some salt, and now I added our grounded crayfish and a little pepper because I've got kids that eat this food. I don't want to add excess pepper. I'm going to be frying that until it's thoroughly fried. I went back to check our beans and plantain and they are nicely tender. They are nicely cooked. So I'll just quickly add the fried foodstuffs, the onion and the tomato I fried earlier on. And I'll give it a stir and I tested to see if everything is going on well. And of course, I needed to add a little more salt and that is it. Now I'm just adding our scent leaf. Feel free to add any vegetable leaf at all of your choice. It's okay. Please, if you haven't hit the subscription button, help me do so. Please hit the subscription bell to get notified whenever I post new videos. Let me know down the comment section what would you be pairing this beans porridge with? Is it pap? Is it custard? Or is it your oatmeal? For me, I'll be pairing this with my hot pap. Yes, corn pudding. See you again in my next one, guys. Thank you so much.